Hi Divas! Welcome to Mailbag Monday. Yes, I like alliteration. I'm Wanda from Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. Today I am opening a bag from Craftably. I'm sorry. DIYdigitalart.com. DIYdigitalart.com. And there's a bunch of different goodies in here. One of them happens to be a diamond painting. And it's a small one. 18 colors. It should be a stack of books. Yeah. This is what, it looks better on camera than it does in front of me. You're picking up the colors really well. Okay. It gives you the legend down here. A picture of a thumbnail up at the top. And this came in, I ordered it the 7th of March. And it came in, I think early April. I'm just going to put 4/1/21. So it took 4 weeks to get here. Book number 0505, DIYdigitalart.com. And it doesn't even say how big it is. 30 by 40, $4.50, round drills. It is poured glue. There's both confetti and color blocking on it. Okay. 18 colors. It's round. Again, I don't know how much of the color you can see on these things. These have just the kit number and the number they are in the sequence. They don't have any DMC codes, which is disappointing. No DMC. Do you want to know more about my inventory system? I will link that video down below. So what I'm going to do is write DIY Digital Art.com. Okay, and it already has a number on it, and it's books. Okay, yes, obviously. Okay, that way, when I do the inventory on these things, I can match them up, and I can make sure that I write on here DIY Digital Art and books on it as well, so that I don't lose the drills. Or lose the drills. Okay. So, there's a few more little things in there. Good. Alrighty then. This also came, I forget why I ordered these. This is, they're beautiful. They're little, like, cards. It's one card with 2 pictures on them. I don't even know what I ordered. I didn't write it down, so who knows. They're beautiful. I can use them for cards. Looks like there's 2 of each. Somebody's watercolor. Some beautiful watercolor things. My mother-in-law is a wonderful watercolor artist in a more realistic way than these are. These are more abstract. You know, before it's too late, if you have somebody in your life you'd like to learn some special cooking technique from, like, I would love to have spent more time with my Nana learning how to cook in our special Pennsylvania Dutch way, meat and potatoes. I would have loved to have asked my other grandmother lots of questions about what it was like to live at the turn of the last century, the 1900s. I would have liked to have learned more watercolor and more art techniques from my mother-in-law, who taught many people, a lot of kids. And I didn't take the time to do any of those, and I really wish that as children we had a little more foresight. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have somebody in your life you want to learn something from, don't wait. Don't wait until it's too late. You never know what life's going to give you, good or bad. So I'm just saying, don't wait. I'll cut these up individually and put them like on card fronts. So that's that. What else is in here? Okay. This is for sealing wax. You put a little tea light underneath here, sneak in the side to light it, and this is a spoon that you put the little wax melts in. You melt it over the little tea light, and then it has a little spout on each side. I got these from either AliExpress or Wish. Then you pour it onto to seal the letter, and you have a seal. I have plenty of seals that you put in the wet, hot wax, and then you pick it up and it hardens into like a seal. I have ones with my initials on it. And this is a clear plastic stamp. I got it because it's not in English, it's some other kind of writing, some other language, so that when you do mixed media stuff, you can put different colors of ink on it and stamp it down, and it looks like there's words in the background, but they don't mean anything. So as I use some of these fun things, I will show you what's up. Right, so that's that from the mailbag. And I also got another light pad, and I don't, okay, this is a plastic covering, and it's a on and off. They give you the power cord to go with it. It's on a USB end, and it has the small, the micro to go in here. Now, one thing I've noticed with the real big one that I have like this, go out and get yourself a magnetic one. Put the little end in here. The magnet then clips onto it. If you are klutzy like I am and you walk out of the room and you happen to catch the cord, it doesn't rip the cord out and make a mess of the little power in. That's my tip for today, I'm telling you. I have ruined a few of them already, and that would have saved. My genius husband came up with that. Put the magnetic thing in so that it automatically detaches and doesn't do any damage to the pad. I don't do anything this small. I don't know why I got one this small. Probably because I don't really know my sizes yet. And this isn't going to help me. As you can see, it's in Chinese. So, oh, the other side is English. I'll look at that. I'll look at the warranty and all that stuff, but okay. I'll let you know how it works out. So if you want to see more Mailbag Mondays or any more of Wanda's Workbasket and all the different things I put on here, please like and subscribe. Ring the little bell to get a notice of when we go online again, and which is I'm hoping to get pretty often. We're going to be soon talking more about fear, how you can make fear your friend, talking about anxiety and depression, and how that affects all of our lives, and how crafts can be very healing to that. So I'd love you to join our discussion, mostly on Tuesdays and Fridays. Tea and Talk Tuesday and Fearless Friday. Okay? So, I wish you a very bright and beautiful day or week. I just wish you joy. Play with your goodies. Don't wait to the last minute to tell somebody you love them or to learn something from them that you really think you might need later on in life. Don't hesitate. You only have this moment and this day. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye now.